This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance with your arms. We'll dive into the fundamental techniques that build a strong foundation for arm-based moves. You'll learn how to develop the necessary strength and balance, crucial for executing dynamic freezes and power moves. We'll cover proper hand and arm placement, ensuring stability and preventing injury. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use your arms effectively to support your body weight and add incredible flair to your breakdancing repertoire. Get ready to transform your arm game. Let's start with some essential arm freezes that are fundamental to breakdancing. First, master the baby freeze, where your elbow supports your hip and your other hand provides balance. Next, try the chair freeze, balancing on one arm with your elbow tucked into your side, creating a solid platform. Then, move to the turtle freeze, using both arms to support your torso, keeping your body parallel to the ground. Remember, engaging your core muscles is vital for maintaining these positions for several seconds, building both strength and control. Now, let's explore some entry-level arm-based power moves. A solid handstand is crucial. Practice holding it for at least 10 seconds against a wall before moving to open space. Next, try the elbow spin, where you rotate your body on one forearm, keeping your core tight and legs extended. For a greater challenge, work towards the one handstand, which demands immense arm and shoulder strength. Remember, consistency in practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your ability to execute these dynamic moves with precision and power. To truly excel in arm-based breakdancing, consistent strength training is key. Integrate exercises like push-ups, aiming for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, and dips, targeting your triceps and shoulders. Handstand push-ups, even against a wall, will dramatically increase your overhead pressing strength. Don't forget wrist conditioning. Gentle stretches and rotations for 5 minutes daily can prevent common injuries. Dedicate at least 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, to practice these moves. With patience and persistence, your arm strength and breakdancing skills will reach new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.